Hello everyone and welcome to the Safety and Compliance Center. This is Bilal Khan and here I will simplify NEBOSH IGC course for you. I'm very confident that by the end of this session you will have much better understanding of the topic if you will interact with the exercises given between the sessions. In this video we will be discussing about the key workplace safety regarding the manual handling. We will discuss most common types of injuries, learn about the manual handling techniques and moving, see how to assess the risk before doing any kind of manual handling. Most importantly, we will discuss how to avoid or minimize those risks to keep yourself at safe zone. Manual handling means using your body to lift, carry, push, or pull a load. It is a common part of many jobs but can lead to injury if not done properly. Think about lifting, carrying, or pushing. What parts of the body are most at risk? Drop your answers in the comment section. I would love to interact with your answers and learn from each other. Well, here are some of the most common injuries that can occur during the manual handling task. The back injuries like the prolapsed disc, tendon and ligament strains, muscle injuries, hernias, work-related upper limb disorders, and even cuts, burns, dislocations, or broken bones if something goes wrong or seriously. That's why proper manual handling techniques and risk awareness are so important. Let's talk about the good manual handling technique. Before lifting anything, always check the load, make sure it is stable and it's not too heavy. Then plan your route so you know where you are going and make sure you have got a firm grip over the load. During the lift, bend your knees, use your leg muscles, and keep your back upright. Always hold the load close to your body and avoid twisting, overreaching, or making sudden movements. When it's time to put the load down, use the same safe techniques. Keep balanced, set it down carefully, and then make a small adjustment using your body weight, not your back. When it comes to assessing the manual handling risk, there are four main factors to be considered: the task, the individual, the load, and the environment. Often remembered by the acronym TILE, each of these plays a key role in how risky a manual handling activity can be. In the upcoming slides, we will break down each one in detail and explain what to look out for when assessing these risks. To carry out a proper manual risk handling assessment, you need to look at four key areas: task, individual, load, and environment, or the TILE for short. Now it's your turn. Drop your ideas into the comments and learn further from each other in the comment section. Task in manual handling, there are several specific factors to consider. These include the height of the load, whether the task is repetitive, and the distance you need to carry the load. Also important are movements like stooping, twisting, and whether you have enough rest breaks. Other factors include how far the load must be lifted vertically, if it is above shoulder height, or if you are overreaching. All of these can increase the risk of injuries and need to be carefully evaluated. Let's look at the individual factors. Some tasks might require unusual physical ability or strength. It is important to consider if there are any vulnerable workers involved, like pregnant employees or those with the pre-existing back injuries, as they may be at greater risk of harm. Understanding these personal factors help to ensure everyone's stay safe at the workplace. Let's focus on the load itself. Key factors include the weight of the load, its size and bulk, and how stable it is during the lifting or carrying. You also need to consider the load's center of gravity. Is it balanced or awkward? How easy is it to grip securely? And don't forget to check if the load is hot, sharp, or has any other hazard that could cause an injury. All these aspects affect how safely the load can be handled. Finally, the environment plays a big role in manual handling risk. You need to check for the space restrictions that could limit the movement and assess the floor conditions. Is it slippery, uneven, or there changes in floor level? Lighting is also important. Poor light levels can increase the chance of the accidents. Other factors like the temperature and the humidity can also affect the comfort and safety of personnel. Considering all these environmental elements help create a safer workplace. To avoid or minimize manual handling risk, the first step is to eliminate the need to lift or carry the loads whenever possible. If that is not possible, always assess the risk before starting the manual handling task. Using the handling aids like trolleys, the hoist to reduce the strain. You can also modify the task, the load, or the environment to make handling safer. Finally, make sure that the task matches the individual capabilities. No one should be asked to do something beyond their physical limits. These steps help to keep everyone safe and injury free at the workplace. The best ways to reduce the manual handling risk is through automation and mechanization. Using equipment like the conveyor system, the forklift trucks, the pallet trucks, cranes, and the hoist can take strain off the workers and prevent the manual handling injuries. These tools help move heavy or awkward loads safely and efficiently, making the workplace safer and more productive. To further reduce manual handling risk, a variety of handling aids can be used. These include the trolleys, barrel lifts, the gin wheels, the trucks, as well as the hoist and lifts. Using these tools help workers move the load more safely with less physical strain, preventing the injuries and making the task easier. When it comes to controlling the manual handling risk, there are practical steps you can take for each factor. For the task, include regular rest breaks, the job rotation, and try to eliminate the stooping or twisting. Using aids like table lift can help. For the load, use smaller stabilized loads, clearly mark the center of gravity, attach the handles, or get the workers to share the load. Regarding the environment, rearrange the workspace for easier access, level the uneven floors, and improve the lighting. And finally, always match the task to the individual's capability to ensure the safety and the efficient work. Thank you very much for watching this video from the Safety and Compliance Center. If you have any question regarding this session, please drop your questions in the comment section below. I would love to answer that. This is your channel. Like it, subscribe it for more safety content. Stay safe, stay blessed, and goodbye.